I get where I'm going, on the far side of the sky, the first thing that I'm gonna do is spread my wings and fly. I'm gonna land beside a lion and run my fingers through his mane. Or I might find out what it's like to ride a drop of rain. Yeah, when I get where I'm going, there'll be only happy tears. I will shed the sins and struggles I have carried all these years, and I'll leave my heart wide open. I will love and have no fear.
Hey everybody, this is Shannon with 100,000 Kids in the Outdoors, and Phil McCamus with the 100,000 Kids in the Outdoors. And we have Marshall here. What are we getting ready to go out and do, Marshall?
Go hunt for turks.
You better take up a little louder, they can't hear that.
Go hunting for turks.
We're gonna go hunting for turks. Let me tell you what, folks. You know, a lot of people talk a good talk a good game, but this gentleman right here, he walks the talk. And Phil, I just can't tell you, buddy, this whole weekend up here in Kansas with you, and now this right here this is why I came up here, and I know this is why you do what you do. Guys, getting kids out in the outdoors, that's what it is about. It's the future. It's what all of us have a responsibility. All of you who call yourselves outdoorsmen, you have a responsibility to pass it on to the younger generation. And how many times have you been turkey hunting, Marshall?
Once.
Once? Are you looking forward to it?
Yep.
What are you looking forward to?
Shooting a big one.
Shooting a big one. I'll tell you what, guys, I know I won't forget this weekend, Phil, and I just want to tell you how much I appreciate you.
You know what, I do this for these guys right here. You are one of the guys that I look up to as far as taking these kids outdoors. You got the 100,000 Kids started, and these guys are going to reap the benefits from your work. So I appreciate that, Shannon.
You bet. One final thing I want to say is, you know, we picked 100,000 as the number of kids that we want to reach. Obviously, we want to reach more, but if we only affect one kid, it made all the effort, Phil. Wouldn't you agree?
Absolutely.
All of the effort worth it. But here's what I want everybody to keep in mind. We're going to take Marshall out turkey hunting with his father, Eric, and I promise you, whether we get a turkey or not, he is going to have fun, and I bet you he tells his friends about it. And probably this young man right here is going to get into hunting and encourage friends to get. That's how it works. So I don't want to focus so much on the number as much as instilling in these kids to pass it on to their friends. That's when we're going to see this mission and this cause just explode. Would you agree?
Absolutely. These guys right here are the future. And just like Shannon said, and without these guys, all those hunting shows, all those outdoor stores, they're nothing unless we get more of these coming up behind us. So,
you know, it's not a catchphrase, guys. It's not a marketing ploy, but I do want to say that, you know, if you know of a kid, I don't care if he's been hunting before, if he doesn't have the ability to have somebody take him out, grab him by the hand and get that boy or that girl out there. And it can be something as simple as showing them how to turkey hunt. Maybe you're not going to kill a turkey. I don't think we really cared. I mean, we obviously want to put him on a big bird, but the main thing is being out here and doing it, guys. That's what it's about. So anyway, stay tuned. Hopefully we'll have some good footage. If you kill, what'd you call it? A big what?
Big turk.
A big turk. So thanks very much.
When I get where I'm going, on the far side of the sky, the first thing that I'm gonna do is spread my wings and fly.